Did you know you can actually break down word problems into simple sums? Let's take a look together. Our sum says, Timmy has 12 tacos. He gives 6 tacos to Alexander. How many tacos does Timmy have left? First, we need to pick out the key information. Timmy has 12 tacos. 12 is our first number. He gives 6 tacos to Alexander. 6 is our second number. How many tacos does Timmy have left? For Timmy to give Alexander 6 tacos, he must take away 6 from his 12 tacos. This means our sum is 12, take away 6. This is also known as subtracting. 12 take away 6 equals 6. Now, you can try. Olivia has 5 ice creams. She gives Lucas 2 ice creams. How many ice creams does Olivia have left? If you need more time, you can pause the video here. Our sum is 5 take away 2. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Olivia has 3 ice creams left. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and come back soon for more fun and educational videos. Also, please remember to subscribe to Maths with Mr. West.